Hello and welcome to MathMat 3 video tutorial. For the materials of this MathMat, I am seeking permission from the company to use and post on the blog. Since I don't have the permission quite yet, if you are losing any of the materials, you can message me through Blooms or email me at brobello@auburn.wednet.edu and I can make copies to send home with your child. For MathMat 3, you will need the MathMat 3, which is double-sided, a place value chart with the hundreds, tens, and ones, a digital spinner, a paper clip, a bag of base 1000 blocks, looks like this, cut out, and an Expo marker, and then the eraser. For lesson 1, this is comparing 3-digit numbers with greater than and less than and equal symbols. The objective is to understand that the 3D numbers represents the amount of hundreds, tens, and ones. For lesson 2, it's writing 3-digit numbers in expanded form. The objective is to write numbers up to 1,000 using base 10 numerical numbers and names and an expanded form. Okay, for lesson 1, this is what you'll do. So for lesson 1, you're going to spin the paper clip by using a pencil and put it in the center, and then you're going to find a number, which will be 4. Then I'm going to write it down on my MathMat, 400s. Again for the tens, which is 2. Once more for the ones, another 2. So it'll look like this. Then you're going to draw it out. I would make one horizontal line, that way you can compare the two numbers as you draw them. So 400 would look like this: 100, 200, 300, 400. 410, 420, 421, 422. Then you spin again 3 times, making it 500, 110, and 4 ones. You'll draw it out: 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 510, 511, 512, 513, 514. And you'll look at your drawing and you'll compare the two numbers. Then you'll go to the MathMat 3 and use greater than, less than, or equal to symbol to solve the problem. $422 is less than 514. So for lesson 2 of MathMat 3, you're going to go on the side where it says expanded notation, also known as expanded form, and standardized notation, also known as standard form. You're going to use the digital spinner and the paper clip to create your number. For example, if I have the 3 numbers that I spin are 3, first one is 3, so that'd be 300. Then the second number would probably be 2, which is 2 tens, 20. And then I spun the number 1 would be 1, 1. So this is the expanded notation, also known as expanded form. I have 300 plus 20 plus 1. I'm going to draw it out using my template of place value chart of 300, 100, 200, 300, 310, 320, 321. I can also write how many hundreds do I see? 3. How many tens do I see? 2. How many ones do I see? 1. That can also help me with the standard notation, also known as standard form, to create or to solve the equation. So 321. To learn about place value, we use the manipulatives called base 10 blocks, which should look familiar to you because they are what the students cut out and placed in the bags. Just to show you that 10 ones make 1 10, 10 tens make 100, 10 hundreds make 1,000. Thank you for watching this Math 3 tutorial. I hope it's engaging for your child, and if you have any questions or concerns, please contact me on Blooms or email.